Today we'll talk about how can you find insights on your Traits app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you to find your insights. All you have to do now. So you just go down, you click in this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, just click here on edit profile. You just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. Sorry, we will go back. All you have to do, you go above this sign, you click here in this sign here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then here you will find all insights you have on your app. Here can you find it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.